Grace.
I'm Sophie Michelle.
I'm Rockelle. And we are here at Petite and Pretty
to test out the 9021 Snow Winter Collection.
If you want to see these winter looks, make sure to keep watching this video.
So let's jump straight into it. So we are all doing different looks. Jessalyn is going to do.
I'm going to do like a mixture of like a neutral look and a very colorful look. So I'm using both sides of the palette.
And I'm using just one side of the palette, which is just like all the colors like pink and blue.
And then I'm using the neutral side. I love it so much. I cannot wait to put it on.
Yes.
I cannot wait to put the colorful side. It's going to be like a holiday look.
And my look is going to be like something that you would wear to a holiday party.
So yeah, I'm going to start. I'm going to use 4 colors. I'm going a little bit crazy with this today. I'm using Rodeo Lights, Vacay Vibes, Starboy, and Winter La La Land.
And I'm using Sleigh Bells, Rodeo Lights, and Starboy.
And I really don't have a plan here. I'm just gonna kind of just do it, but I know that I'm using Sleigh Bells because that's my favorite. I love it.
I'm gonna go with Vacay Vibes first.
Okay, so I'm like, I don't know.
So how are you guys feeling about this?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm a little nervous. I never do eye makeup.
Really?
But you know,
I do it sometimes, but like I'm not a pro at it.
I like natural, so I'm glad I have some natural here.
I never really do like crazy looks like this, but I feel like I've done it when I'm bored, like at night, and I don't have anything to do.
Me too.
Oh my God. And I don't know how
When
they
I'm
just
bored,
like turn
I
out.
just do it.
So like I forget how they turn out because I'm so tired. So.
And also they don't turn out good because I'm so tired.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Alright, this is...
And like I have like just telling you guys, I have like this one little sparkly nail over here, and it matches the palette perfectly. I love it.
Oh,
So.
I also have a sparkling nail here.
I have a sparkly nail too.
And by the way, guys, I'm using the 2E brush. I think we all are.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I am too.
Well, actually, I'm using the 1E to like apply it on.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Well,
Cool. I'm using the pinkest, one of the pinkest ones.
so I'm gonna see. Oh my god, it's so pretty!
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow, you were really good at this.
I haven't even started that, like.
I know, but
much
still,
yet.
you still look good.
Thank you.
I feel like this
I'm
is not
going to use the 2E brush, and the color that I'm using is Rodeo Dry. And Rodeo Lights. So I keep getting that mixed up. Okay.
I'm going for like a super dramatic look just to be really festive for this. So I'm making it a little bit like, you know, really pink. So I'm using a lot of pinks.
I might use Bungalow Bronze.
Okay, now I'm gonna head in with Starboy in the inner corner of my eye.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Like, wow.
Like it really sparkles. I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use 1E.
Wow, that actually looks pretty nice. Let me see. Oh my gosh. But like the pink puts on.
I think pink looks really good on you.
Thank you.
I said I was gonna like use 4 colors, but now I'm like heading for a theme. Cause like I was gonna do like blue in there, but, you know, I'm like looking for a theme. So this palette can do a lot of themes. Like you have 2 blue, like 2 sparkly blue colors in here, like 1 purple one, 2 pink ones, and like 1 really white. Hold on.
Like glitter.
1 really glittery one. It's Rodeo Lights, the one that you
Yeah. So now that I'm done like putting glitter all over my face and using this side, I'm gonna start using like most of the neutral colors and putting it like above my eyelid.
So I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. I don't want to put too much, even though
Oh my, oh wow.
So it's gonna even out with them. I'm gonna put the mascara on. So
I'm
I
still
curled
putting on
one of my
eyes.
eyelashes beforehand. I'm really looking forward to using this mascara. Coming soon.
All right. So now I'm gonna use the marshmallow because it's so pretty.
This mascara is so good.
Oh my gosh. Wow,
Let
it
me
looks
see.
really nice.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
That is so nice.
I curled my eyelashes beforehand, so like it's even better. Like it's really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more Bungalow Browns because it's super pretty.
Since we're all YouTubers, who's your favorite YouTuber?
Oh,
Let's
mine?
go shake.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I have like a lot of favorites because I watch YouTube like all the time. So I'm just gonna name like my most favorite YouTubers, which is Lauren DIY and Liza Goshi.
She is so funny. I wish I could be a funny.
Oh my gosh, I know, right?
Funny.
Yeah, I love her. I wish she would post more often, but she has a lot going on.
Yeah.
I really like Alicia Marie, Chloe Couture, like a lot of different YouTubers.
I watch YouTube a lot.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of eyeshadow that I put on my lips. Okay,
I have a lot of glitter on my eyes. I think it's very nice. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I am so excited.
I'm pretty much done with my eyes. I'm gonna head in with the bronzer. I'm using the 9021 Glow Back to School collection. This is what it looks like. I'm also gonna use the highlighter out of the 9021 Snow palette. It's called Winter
I
Low.
literally can't right now.
Oh my gosh.
I literally I
It
can't.
looks so good on you.
I haven't put on the mascara yet.
I need this.
I will.
I need this.
So this is the 2D brush. I'm loving it.
All right, I do have some mascara on my eyes, so I'm gonna try to get that off real quick. I feel like I can just.
I need music.
All right.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love it.
Okay, I think I'm done.
I think I'm gonna go in.
No, not done like I meant with my eyeshadow. It's like kind of neutral and fun at the same time.
What's happening over there?
Crazy stuff. Okay.
Oh my! I almost just did the color out of here.
All right, so there is like a highlighter bronze in here. So I'm gonna put some on. Look at this, like highlight.
That looks so good.
I know, I love the highlighter. Whoa.
You're so squeaky.
Okay.
Oh my
The blue and the pink. The blue
So
and the
pretty.
pink. Oh my gosh.
That's good. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I don't want too much glow.
Okay, I'm done with my mascara.
There's never too much glow.
I know.
I know.
This is a new shade of Gen Glitter. It's called Glitter on Ice. It's super pretty. As you can see, it's a highlighter. It is so. Oh wow! I look like a mermaid right now. Oh my!
I am almost done.
Oh my god,
Me too. Me too. This is a new shade of 10K lip gloss called Crown Ruby. Super pretty. It's like a really nice, like pinkish red. So pretty.
And I'm gonna use this shade of lip gloss. It's called Gia Pink. It's so pretty.
Okay, so I think I'm done with highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is so shimmery, guys. I love it.
So,
Okay, now I'm gonna use Pink Palace as a bronzer.
look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
That
wow!
looks so good on you.
I know. I
know.
I know. You do. I use Pink Palace on my eyes too. It's really pretty. I think I'm done, guys. I think I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows.
I'm gonna do that after too. Okay, almost done. We're on this last step.
Wow, that's a lot. Okay. Alright, like,
What's your, like, if you could say anything, like, what's your favorite part about being a YouTuber?
my favorite part about being a YouTuber is just creating content and like videos because I've always wanted to do that, and like I love all the love and support that you get from all of your fans, and it's just so much fun.
How about you?
My favorite part is making people smile. I love to make people smile when they're having a bad day, and I like to be funny on my videos.
Intro,
So
right?
yeah.
You're
So guys are everything about my video. You can barely understand me, but you know,
You're happy.
hopefully
That's the
it'll
best
make
part.
people laugh.
So,
Okay, I think I did it.
I think I'm done. Oh, hold on.
I think I'm done too.
My favorite part about being a YouTuber is like having the fans are so sweet and all the love and support. It's just like so nice. My fans are called So Fanatics, just so you guys know.
My fans are called paparazzis. So pretty. So
And-
pretty, I know.
And I don't have a fan name yet, but I will soon.
My fans actually chose the name So Fanatics because like I got the name because I was looking for one. I was like, what should I do? And then I saw a comment and like, oh, we're So Fanatics. I'm like, that's so cute, and I just kept with it. So.
I just want to say I love this packaging so much.
Oh my gosh,
I just
I
keep
know.
looking at it like,
Right?
It's so pretty. It's like a snow globe, and then you can just shake the glitter. And I love like shaker cards and anything that has glitter inside of it that you can shake. It's just, I love them.
and phone cases. Oh my god, I love phone cases that have these.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Yeah, and then like you can go like this, and then it comes, and then like this.
By the way, guys, this is pediatrician approved, dermatologist approved, and ophthalmologist
approved. It's ophthalmologist approved. Yeah, okay. The lip gloss that I'm using is the Petite and Pretty 10K Shine Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Royal Rules. It's really cute.
Oh, I can't wait to see this one. It's like a purpley shade.
And like you're like, you would have looked great with that because you're all purple. But like your lipstick.
I'm all purple?
Yeah, like look at your eyes. It's purple.
Well, it's like pink,
It's
but
like what?
Kind of.
It's purple.
I'm so confused right now.
It looks purple. Okay, it does a little bit. Just say.
It looks a little bit purple, according to Piper.
That's all I needed to hear.
Okay, so let's see what else I should do. I think I can put like a little bit more, like the top of my nose.
Oh yeah, it matches your nails.
Yeah, it does actually.
I'm pretty much done, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm done too.
It's a crazy purple pink look.
You go up to anyone and you're like, oh, is this a little bit purple? They'll be like, yes.
And
Just
then-
a little bit.
And then some blue highlighter and this Gia Pink lip gloss and some bronzer out of the back to school collection.
Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of like neutral colors to my eyes. So I guess I'm not done with my eyeshadow. I mean, like it's pink and it's sparkly, and you can see the sleigh bells at the bottom here.
Let me help you out. Let me add a little bit to your eyes.
Okay.
So which color do you want?
Maybe the frosted fronds.
Frosted Fronds. Okay.
Sophie's like so good at doing eyeshadow.
No.
My pink eyes look like really out there. I really love the looks that you can make out of this palette. I'm just like,
So you can make like a crazy winter look like Sophie, and you can make a neutral look like Piper, and you can make like both.
mixed.
Yeah.
Yeah, with my.
Which I just do this one. I forgot. You probably want to put like some more sparkles over the top because like mascara got on it.
Yeah, I know. I don't know like how that happened.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
It's a very natural, sparkly look.
And I already did my bronzer with the pink palette, so I think I'm all done.
So we're all done. This is my final look.
This is my final look, and this is my final look.
So this is my finished look. I'm just gonna show you all the products that I used for this pink holiday look. So I used this 9021 Snow Eye and Cheek palette. I used Winter La La Land for my cheek. And then I also used Starboy and Vacay Vibes for my eyes. So you can see that it's like super pink, purpley. I really loved how it came out. I also used a Rodeo lights under my eye over here. So it kind of brightened my eye. So that's what I used for my eyes. And this over here so you can have a closer look on the highlighter. And then I also used the 9021 Glow Back to School collection. I used the bronzer out of here, the Beachside Bronze. I love this bronzer, you guys. It's one of my faves. And then these are my top 3 favorite brushes. So I used this one for my highlight. This is 2F, love. So these are the 2 eyeshadow brushes that I use, 1E and 2E. This is more for like blending everything out, and this is for more applying. Like I applied the sparkly shadow over here in the inner corner with this brush. Loved them, they're so amazing. And then last but definitely not least, I loved this lip gloss that I used. It's Gia Pink, and it's so adorable. This is like my favorite color ever, just because of this lip gloss. It like changed my mind. So I love this. So these are all the products that I used, and that's pretty much it.
All right, so this is my finished look. I'm gonna take you through everything that I used, and yeah. This is the 9021 Snow palette. So I used the neutral side. I used Sleigh Bells. I used Bungalow Bronze, and I used So Marshmallow. I used Sleigh Bells right here on the inner corner of my eye, and then I used Bungalow Bronze on the inner corner of my eye. Then I used So Marshmallow on like my lower eyelid line. So yeah, that's basically all I did for my eyes. And then the bronzer brush that I used is the 1F. It works super nice, and I loved it so much. Then the Gen glitter that I used was Glitter on Ice. Okay. I used it right on my cheekbones. It was so nice and so highlighting. It highlights so much. So this is the 10K Shine Lip Gloss in Crown Ruby. So nice. And that's how I got my look. This is my finished look, and I'm gonna run you through all the products that I used to get here.
So first I used the 9021 Snow palette, and the colors that I used is Sleigh Bells, Bungalow Bronze, Rodale Lights, and Vacay Vibes. I also used a little bit of Star Void just to give my eyeshadow look a little bit of sparkle. And I also used the Gen Glitter. This is one of the new Gen Glitters, and this is in the shade So Pretty. It's amazing, guys. And I use this as a highlight by taking it out and then putting a little bit on my cheeks and then just blending it in. It was so pretty, guys, and I love this so much. And then my most favorite thing, which is the Petite and Pretty 10K Shine Lip Gloss. I love their lip glosses, you guys. They smell so good, and they're just amazing. I love how glittery it is, and this is in the shade Royal Rules. So pretty. That's how I got my look. All right, that's pretty much it. Thank you to Petite and Pretty for having us here and letting us get ready with the 9021 Snow Winter Collection.
And go subscribe to Petite and Pretty right now and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever they post a new video.
And get your palette right now. All of that info will be in the description below. Also, our YouTubes will be there too, so go check them out.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!